We are at Clock Conversions in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We're getting the left foot accelerator put in the Xpedition. So if anybody wants to get their rigs modified, this is the place to go. Give them a call, they'll hook you up. You got your normal brake and gas, right? But when you don't have a right foot, or if you have a prosthetic above the knee, you don't have the joint on your ankle. So I'm not able to push the pedals down like that. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put in a left foot accelerator. They're going to mount a little button somewhere on the dash, likely here, and I'll hit that 3 times to engage it, and it will disengage the OEM pedal and only work with this left foot pedal we're about to put in right here. For all you other guys that are just wanting to drive like this, you can. It's just not the most comfortable. All right, we are back. Just dropped my unit off, I don't know, 5 hours ago or so, to have that left foot accelerator put in. Excited to see how this thing fits in there and how it operates. But I'm pretty excited to check this out. I don't think they get too many of these off-road toys, but yeah, if you got a need, this is the place to come.
A few moments later.
Left foot accelerator. Now you can be twice as fast. But check this out. Earlier, you seen the old way of doing it. Remember crossing over here with your left foot, trying to hit the gas, you know, get the pedal in the way, get your other foot in the way. Sometimes you can pop that leg off and get it out of the way. But let's be real, do you really want to do that? No. What you'd love to do is look right here. See this? You press that 3 times. Boom, magic. Check it out. Now that gas pedal doesn't work. That one does. How much easier is that? Game changer. So, if you ever need any kind of modifications done, just remember you can go to Clock Conversions, Grand Rapids, Michigan, and they'll take care of you. So just because you have some kind of disability, special situation, maybe some mobility challenges, that does not mean you got to quit having fun. There is all kinds of things we can do to get out on the trails and just straight rip. And things like left foot accelerators is just gonna make it way cooler. Get your rig modified. Hand controls, left foot accelerators, all kinds of things. And man, just keep riding. Get out here, explore great trails, pure Michigan. And it's all thanks to companies like this who are able to put those kind of adaptations in. Never give up. Tons of fun. And until next time, see you guys.